Hey everyone, this is Nicholas, and today I felt inspired to record this video. And as you can see the title, it's about having true security in God. And I really feel this is one of the most important, if not the most important things we can focus on, because in this world, we're conditioned from early on to think that our security comes from having enough money, from having the right career, from finding the right things to do in life, to possess or accumulate certain things that will finally bring us that sense of security. But the truth is that nothing in the world can fulfill us like God can. And not only fulfill us, but to bring us that eternal fulfillment, that eternal peace and security that we can have in God. Because this life is temporary. And it's important to have discernment and to try to prepare physically, and to be proactive in the ways that, especially now, how the world is heading, how things are changing so rapidly, with so many lockdowns and the ways that governments are restricting people's lives, causing scarcity and causing just more and more challenges for people to live freely and to live their lives in ways that we've been doing, for the most part, in a much different way before. And now things are getting more challenging and more unpredictable. I mean, every month you hear of a new thing happening, of new restrictions, new lockdowns, people quarantined, and what that's doing is it's causing, obviously for a lot of people, it's instilling fear, it's instilling a sense of not knowing what's to come, and that can be really challenging. And for me, what has really helped me is reminding myself that it's, again, important to prepare physically and to have taking proactive steps in that direction, but also reminding ourselves that the most important thing we can do is to cultivate a relationship with God. Because no matter what happens in the world, there's people that have been millionaires and had all the things that we, have been told that will give us that success or that sense of security, but truly felt empty inside. And that thing that can only fill that sense of emptiness, what can bring true and deep fulfillment, is having a relationship with God. Because when we're separated from God, when we're living our lives for ourselves, just for living our own will, instead of seeking to live out in our lives the will of God, what God has for us, and to serve the kingdom of God, to be of service to our fellow brethren, to live in the narrow path that leads to life, and to walk from the ways, the wide gates that lead to destruction, as the scriptures say. That is true living. And when we do that, we find deep peace and fulfillment that nothing in this world can bring. Only a relationship with God can bring through Christ. And so that is something that has changed my life for the better in ways that could not put, it's hard to put into words. And with all that's happening right now, it's easy to start to feel fear, or to start to go into, oh, what do I need to do, and this and that. And a lot of people go there first, on the physical part. But what I want to encourage you is, if you're feeling some fear about what's happening in the world right now, if you're feeling just some desperation or confusion about what is to take place, what to do, I just want to encourage you to turn to God first. Because when we do that, when we seek and wholeheartedly seek to cultivate that relationship with God, to seek to do God's will in our lives every single day, what that allows us to is to focus on God, which will give us that true security internally, as God can support us emotionally, mentally, giving us discernment, showing us the right ways to go, what decisions to take, and provision can come from that. He can show us which direction we need to go, where do we need to go live. And as we're, through prayer, which is conversation with God, we can actually allow ourselves to be open to receive that support, instead of feeling like we're doing it all on our own, right? So it's just such a game changer. It's such a huge thing that is so important, especially nowadays with things changing so quickly. Even if tomorrow I'm homeless and I lose everything physically, I have God, and that is the greatest thing that nothing in this world can take away from me. And that is why that is true security, because with God anything is possible, and deep peace, even in the midst of great challenge, is available when we are walking with God. If we are separated from God, if we're not seeking God every day and we're facing deep challenges, then we can easily go into fear, into being misled, to being deceived, because that's what happens when we go into fear. And the scriptures tell us, do not fear, like so many times, because that is of the enemy. And when we go into fear, we allow ourselves to be open to spiritual attacks, to being misled and deceived. And that's what governments are doing now more than ever. So discernment is so important. And when we go to God every single day asking for discernment, asking to be given the right steps of action moving forward with what's happening, then that will allow for physical security to also take place. Because if we do things based on our own understanding solely and our own will, then we might think we're doing the right things, and it might seem like the best thing, but it might not truly be, because we might be blinded to a better way in which maybe through relationship with God, God can illuminate and show us through discernment, through critical thinking, and applying that in our daily lives, we will be guided in the way that we need to go. And no matter what happens in this world, we will know that we have true fulfillment, true wealth, which is relationship with God, and eternal security as we are in God's family. We have that relationship. We're not separated from God, and that is the greatest gift that we can ever have, and that's the greatest gift that I ever wish for anyone. And it's something that is free. Nothing in this world can buy it, and so it's available to every single one of us. And I just encourage you with what's happening to seek God wholeheartedly, to really pray and ask God to give you discernment on what you need to do in your life, and what things you need to let go of. Because one of the most important things in this life, the enemy works through all ways of deception, and this governments and different forms of mind control have caused people to be confused. So I noticed that the more I have been able to deepen my relationship with God, I've noticed more soberness and more mental clarity, and that allows us to see things clearly and not be deceived. So that's one of the most important things that we can do so that we can move forward in this life, and especially nowadays in ways that are empowered and in love, so we can serve and stand for truth in love, to speak the truth in love. If we see deception, if we see oppression happening to our fellow brothers and sisters, that we can speak against it and to speak for truth, because truth will set us free. And the greatest truth is what God has done for us and through Christ. And that's something that I just came to last year, to knowing the truth of that. And seeking that relationship with God is so important. So I just wanted to share that with you all. And I'm wishing you guys a beautiful week, and I'll see you all soon.